Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking the story and the practical kit. This is where the film earns its clarity. Once the one-page outline exists, make a prioritized shot list and schedule, then pick your camera, a primary lens, and one backup battery or card. Set a base ISO and white balance to match the location light, and test a 5-10 second clip to confirm exposure. Make sure to rehearse blocking with actors and mark key eye lines. That quick run will save hours later. Now you move into execution: light, camera, sound. Start by setting motivated lights to shape your subject. Use fill or flags to control contrast so faces read on camera. Once the camera is rolling, choose 2-3 focal lengths for visual consistency and block movement to hit marks precisely. Record dual sound with a lav and boom, and capture at least 30 seconds of room tone. Make sure to check histograms and audio meters between takes. Small adjustments compound into cinematic polish. Finish by organizing and editing with intent. You're shaping rhythm and meaning now. Once footage is offline, assemble a rough cut to lock story beats, then refine pacing and sound. After picture lock, apply color grade using a technical LUT as a starting point and correct with scopes to match shots. Export a mastering file, create deliverables, and archive originals. If colors shift or audio buzz appears, recheck reference clips, relink raw media, and reclock your monitor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.